Pasibayo po, Maya Bagat Panapon, Robinson, Starbills, Pampanga, palakpakan ta naman po. At pasibayo po malaos kayo po king kaya katamong kurang-kurangan Kapaskuhan 2023 at Panara Making Contest, an inter-town cooking competition. Category of senior high school and college. Palakpakan tala po, ding balang metong kaya katamo. At ban kanita po ang nyawara ning pamanantabe at bendisyon ning kaya katamo nga pong Ginoo para kayong programang iti katandakongan pong talakad ban kanita po manalangin tamo po. Talakad tamongan po.
Jubanwa misambanya ing lagyumu datang ke kaming kayarianmu mi pamintuaning lubmu ketisulipan tibanwa ing kakanan mi King Aldo ibiemu ke kami King Aldo ngeni hamponi patawad mo ke kami ding salami ke ka anti mo ing pamamatawad mi karing mi kasana ke kami mga emuke ipay saul king tukso nunay kabus muke king marok uling ke kaing kayarian ating kayupayan ating ligaya manggaman kingalang hangga.
Manatili tamo pong makatalakad para king pambansang lawiwi ning Pilipinas at ning himno ning Kapampangan.
Kapampangan mi sakwak kinglegwananing alaya gabunding pantas at marangal sibul ning lugod karinaning tepangan batis ning katan Kapampangan sandalaning katimawan, kilubing pusumi, atin kang dambana, luid ka, palsintan ming kapampangan. Luid ka, palsintan ming kapampangan. Kapampangan sa lening legwan, kapampangan sandalaning katimawan, hilug din pusumi, atin kang dambana, luid ka, palsintan ming kapampangan. Luid ka, palsintan ming kapampangan.
Malyari tayo na pong lukluk. Masibay po Malaus ko po king kaya katamong kurang-kurangan Kapaskuhan 2023 at Panara Making Contest. Meo partine ning kaya katamong pagselebran as Sinukwan Festival 2023 karing kaya katamong Board of Judges o sa ating pong mga hurado dahil meron po tayong hindi nakakaintindi ng Kapampangan. Malaus ko po o welcome dito po sa probinsya namin, dito sa Pampanga. At Malaus ko po king kaya katamong Sinukwan Festival 2023 at sa lahat po ng bisita na nandito, karingay ganagana pong kayabe tamong eni, karing coaches at participants, maya pagat panapon at Malaus ko ngan po king kaya katamo pong selebrasyon. At ban kanita po ibiyaing kay ang opening remarks. Purike po nga usan ngeni ing kaya katamong Hermana Mayor ning Sinukwan Festival 2023 alang aliwa. Palakpakan tayo po, Miss Sonia P. Soto.
Dakala salamat. Maya pagat panapon po kay kayungan. Good afternoon, friends. To the members of the Board of Judges from Manila and other provinces of the Philippines. Thank you all for coming today. Deta po ngali Kapampangan. Maraming salamat sa pagdalo. And alam ko po itong kurang-kurangan, metong yakareng, kurang-kurangan Kapaskuhan, metong yakaretang sought after events keng Sinukwan Festival. And it is but natural, ne, alita mo pagtakan. Kasi nung potang magpakilala tamong Kapampangan kareng ali Kapampangan overseas o keng aliwang lugar na ng Pilipinas at ita personal keng experience ali kaya man pengutang kareng aliwano ne manibat king ibat yang daramdaman ko yang malati ko pa at yang magaral ko makanyan mo naman isong abaludang Kapampangan ka. Ang popang megaten ko mong komperensya abroad, Kapampangan ka, ada ka na ako, biyasa kang magluto, marunong kang magluto, masarap ang pagkain ng Kapampangan. At binansaganda ka tamong culinary capital of the Philippines. For a while, I understand, ne, correct me if I'm wrong, Kapatadarabi, alitaya man buring i-claim eh. Wala mo makanyan. Yang misa na interview ko rin biyasa, deng matena ka na chefs na ning Pampanga. Kukundangan ko lang nung acclaim ta na ba na ita mo in culinary capital of the Philippines. There is pride ne, in talking about it, pero there is also that sense of bala mo itang bistat man biyasa tang magluto, alitaya paboring buring i-claim o sabihan na ita mo talaga ang culinary capital of the Philippines. But everybody, non-Kapampangans are saying so. So, siguro, ngening aldoy, metong yakaretang buri ko mong subukan na patunayan. Do, balo ko at intamong metong icon Kenny na yang makapagpatuto uling mabilog a Pilipinas at kareng national television and even those media companies, cooking shows, for example, na kilala, mabilog ayato, they always seek at Ching Lilian Borromeo, ingke katamong chairperson na ning kusinera at kusinerong Kapampangan, together with Ray Arsiga, the president of KKK, who made all this, who made this event possible. Ila po yung mengumbira, pintalandongan deng mayors, pintalandongan deng miyaliwang grupo all over Pampanga to invite participants to join us today. So out of the 22 municipalities and cities of Pampanga, 14 are represented here today. At sila po yung i-judge ninyo. And I understand there will be 14 different recipes. So, I don't know, because even if biyasa ko pong buri ko yung manyaman na pamangan, sabi ko, pingkang kapatada Robinan din. Aro, kasakit na rin kaya kayong obra. Ikon judges, you will have to taste all the different 14 na iluto da and then judge accordingly nung nino impena kamanyaman dili. Pasalamatan ko po rin kay katamong Tinagun, 14 municipalities and cities participating today. Dakala salamat kaya kayo. Pauli yu at pauli daretang susuporta kay katamo ang Sinukwan Festival na mag-attempt. At sulta na po yan 26th year, this year. Bisaya pang manaring another 25 years para mira siyang golden anniversary years from now. Imburina, ing lalo yang mipasyag, ing kulturang Kapampangan, alimo mabilog a Pampanga, nune mabilog a Pilipinas at yato. Agkatanda ko po na mag-participate karen pang aliwang events na ning Sinukwan Festival at pasalamatan ko ngandeng ganaganang sinaw kaya betaya po yung Robinsons, for example, in CLTV na atin pong live coverage ngeni. So kabang magluto ko po, ayal bendeken TV, ayal bendeken Facebook, at later on it will be uploaded in different YouTube and Facebook pages of our partner vloggers as well. So kay kayungan po, welcome to the Sinukwan Festival 2023 at pagumpisan tana in kay katamong festival ngening Aldoyti. Dakala salamat po kay kayungan.
Alright, dakal salamat Miss Sonia P. Soto para king kaya kayong mapaling pamananggap kaya kami nga pesitagon kaniting programa. Pasibayo po palakpakan tayo ing Hermana Mayor ng Sinukwan Festival 2023, Miss Sonia P. Soto. Ayan, kalupa natin sinabi ng Miss Sonia aning kaulaga, ing pamangan ka ring balang Kapampangan at kanitinggat panapon. Akit tamo, lalong-lalo na, din kaya katamong kayanakan, ilang manimuna. Kalupa natin ing kaya katamong tema, kaniting banwaning Sinukwan Festival 2023. Makapokus ya, karing kaya katamong kayanakan at bang kanita lumabong pa, ing karelang masabal king kulturang Kapampangan. Excited na kayo po bang kilala din kaya katamong participants or participating groups for this afternoon? Yako, excited na ako. Uling nandila pa po mag-set up, nandila pa pong abak. Pero bayo ita, basan tayo pa mo po in criteria or the criteria for judging. Panimunaning Mr. Michael Villaga, palakpakan tayo po.
Okay, good afternoon po. So, our criteria for judging and scoring for Kurang-Kurangan Kapaskuhan 2023, we are for workmanship, texture and taste of dish, proportion of ingredients are based on a la carte service standards. Ingredients used are based on list of ingredients, which is 50%. Presentation and innovation, composed of an appetizing, tasteful, and elegant traditional dish, and innovation is 20%. Hygiene and sanitation, orderliness on preparing the dish or dishes in the highest possible condition. Handling of all ingredients in hygienic manner is 15%. Creativity and research. Creativity points will be awarded to participants who display research and presentation. Elegant in presenting the finished product and authenticity is 15%, which gives us a total of 100%. Then for the Panara po, so simultaneous po mangyayari po. For taste, good flavor combination, appropriate texture is tender or crunchy as appropriate, no? Which is 40%. Appearance and presentation, cook just right, not over or undercooked. Visually appealing and with pleasing aroma is 20%. For hygiene and sanitation, orderliness in preparing of the dish or dishes in the highest possible condition. Handling of all ingredients in a hygienic manner is 10%. Overall appeal, authenticity, what we're looking for is original taste for the original Panara, which is 30%, giving us a total of 100%. Thank you po.
Thank you very much, Mr. Michael Villaga, king pamamasa ka rin kaya katamong criteria for judging for this afternoon. At ban kanita, sundune po, ing pamagsalita kay ni King Arap Ausan ke po, ing masipag a presidente ng KKK o kurang-kurangan kapaskuan. Pakilala kaya po, bang kanita ipakilala na po, ipakilala na po rin kaya katamo pungurado para kaniting gat panapon. Alangaliwa, Sir Ray G. Arsica.
Thank you, Sir Carlos. Maya pagat panapon po kaya kayungan. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, to the people behind this event, the Foundation for Lingap Kapampangan, Board of Directors, especially our Hermana Mayor, Ma'am Sonia P. Soto, at Ching Lilian Borromeo, the founder of Kusinero at Kusinerang Kapampangan, to our distinguished Board of Judges, my dear colleagues, participants, and guests, a pleasant afternoon. Ang kurang-kurangan culinary competition ay nasa ikalawang taon na bilang partner ng Sinukwan Festival. Pero ang kurang-kurangang competition ay nagsimula 11 years ago. That was 2012. Every year may contest maliban noong pandemic year 2020. Kami po'y nagpapasalamat sa Sinukwan Festival at sa Kusinero at Kusinerang Kapampangan dahil kahit na ito ay mga pribadong pangkultural na organisasyon, ang advokasya nila ay upang patatagin ang mayamang kultura ng mga Kapampangan. At isa sa mga may pagmamalaking kultura natin ay ang pagluluto. Bukang bibig ng mga Pilipino ito, kapag Kapampangan ka, sigurado ang nasa isip nila ay masarap tayong magluto. Kaya ito ay isa sa mga nangungunang industriya ng Pampanga, buhay na buhay ang kulinarya dito sa ating lalawigan. Isang tanda na ang Pampanga ay tinatawag natin ngayong culinary capital of the Philippines. Kaya mabuhay ang Sinukwan Festival, mabuhay ang kurang-kurangan. Ngayon po, ipapakilala ko na po ang ating mga kalahok para po sa Kurang-Kurangan Kapaskuhan 2023. Team 1 from the Municipality of Candaba. Tinatawagan po si Ma'am Aileen Mendoza at ang students nila ay si Kenji Basa, Rowena A. Soliman, and Patricia Dakis. Rainiel S. Bondo. Team number 2 from the municipality of Magalang. From Pampanga State Agricultural University, teacher coach Elaine C. Salvador, Kane Mika May Malyari, Mark Daniel Malyari, and John Lloyd Christian D. Pili, the participants. Team number 3 from the municipality of Santa Ana. From Holy Cross College, teacher coach Angelica Sunga. The students are Aljon Pangan, Carl Stephen Lagman, and Jerry Calao. Team number 4 from municipality of Santo Tomas. From Don Honorio Ventura State University, Santo Tomas Campus, teacher coach Glenn Brian L. Laksa, and the students are Daryl Alonso, Christian Ivan Castro, and Adrian Turla. Team number 5 from municipality of Sasmuan. From Santo Tomas High School, teacher coach Franz F. Liwalas, and the students are Genesis Tonyon, Reggie Ann Nicole Isip, and Prince Ariel Verano. Team number 6 mula po sa municipality of Masantol. From Malauli High School, teacher coach Brenda T. Lakap. Students are Rafael Espiritu, Andrea Lia Naginaldo, and Audrey Isip. Team number 7 from municipality of Guagua. From Betis National High School, teacher coach Agnes D. Palacol, and the students are Ronan Ken Carayon, Kim Tia de la Cruz, and Jasmine P. Mandap. Team number 8 from the municipality of Bacolor. From Don Honorio Ventura State University, Bacolor Campus, teacher coach Mike Hyson M. David, Eileen Mendoza. Students JB Rubiano, Casey Andes, and Arman Guevara. Team number 9 from the municipality of Macabebe. From St. Nicholas Academy Center of Catholic Education Incorporated, teacher coach Andrea Sula, students Alfredo Ocampo, Angelica Del Coro, and Paul Lugtu. Team number 10 from municipality of Minalin. From Santa Maria National High School, teacher coach Ria Usman, Jana May Torres, Errol Jan Manabat, and Kim Tracy Malihan. Team number 11 from municipality of Mexico. From Mexico National High School, teacher coach Erickson David, students Pauline Angeles, Mark Joshua Hipolito, and Paulo de Mesa. Team number 12 from municipality of Porac. From Pulong Santul High School, teacher coach Ina Renette S. Amio, students Karen Soto, J. Clarence Singka, and Lance Yvonne Muli. Team number 13 from the city of San Fernando. From Pampanga High School, teacher coach Vienna S. Austria. Students John Kirby D. Carayon, Anika Larni Masicampo, and Kensel G. Vergara. And team number 14 from the municipality of Mabalacat. From Mabalacat Techbox Senior High School, Teacher Coach Edwin G. Tiki, students Lian Jovel Ocampo, Samantha Joy Magbanwa, and Angela Villanueva. Yan po ang ating mga 14 town participants for the Kurang-Kurangan Kapaskuhan. At ngayon naman po, mayroon po tayong binubuhay na isang recipe na wala na po ngayon, lalo na sa panahon ng Pasko. At ito po ang Panara Making Contest. So dahil po dito, mabubuhay muli ang Panara dahil pagkatapos ito, magkakaroon po tayo ng workshop. After this event, mag-schedule po tayo ng workshop para po maituro ang Panara at maipalaganap muli sa lalawigan ng Pampanga. At dito po mabubuhay. Kaya salamat po sa Sinukwan Festival at sa kusinero at kusinerang Kapampangan. At ito po ang ating mga bayani para sa Panara Making Contest. Marina Padilla and Estelita Manalo from Municipality of Mexico. Takal pong salamat. And from Municipality of Santa Ana, Emeline Miranda and Jessamay Kiambao. At isa pa pong team from Municipality of Mexico, Ana Marie Malihan and Marlene Rivera. Maraming salamat po. Yung mga hindi po alam ang Panara, mamaya, no, pag natapos po ang event, pwede po nating matikman muli ang Panara. Ne po, kabiyayan tayo po uli na po ni Sinukwan Festival, kumabiyaya ing meto nga recipe na pantunan tamo lalo na pag aldo simbambengi. At ngayon, hindi po kompleto ang ating patimpalak without our distinguished Board of Judges. Our first judge is a 6th generation Medina from Arayat, Pampanga. He finished 3 degrees from Oxford University in Development Studies and Social Anthropology. Palakpakan po natin, Mr. Mark C. Medina. Our second and third judge from Team Canlas TV, Manyaman Kenny, is a food travel blogs on YouTube and as Lechon House Business. One of the most famous social influencers here in Pampanga and in the Philippines. Palakpakan po natin ang Team Canlas. Our fourth judge, he is an executive producer of ABS-CBN TV Patrol, Mr. Jaime Jobs Bolo. Our fifth judge, he is a writer, movie producer, educator, and most outstanding Kapampangan awardee and the man behind the success of the Juan D. Nepomuceno Center for Kapampangan Studies. Palakpakan po natin si Sir Roby Tantingco. Our sixth judge is a proud Igorot Bicolano rock star. He is the first MasterChef Pinoy Edition Grand Winner and host of Farm to Table of GTV GMA7. Palakpakan po natin si Chef J.R. Royol. And to complete the Board of Judges, he is an advocate for Filipino culture, heritage, and history. A traveler by heart, he is a trained tour guide under the Department of Tourism, National Capital Region. Since 2012, he has been taking guests around the Philippines through his travel company, Culture Shock Philippines, which was founded through his love for food. Palakpakan po natin our seventh judge, Mr. Joseph Reyes. Nakalpun salamat. At ngayon, sisimulan na po natin ang Sinukwan Festival, Kusinero at Kusinerang Kapampangan, Kurang-Kurangan, Culinary Competition 2023. The cooking competition begins.